In this video, I'm going to show you some settings you need to set in your Meta ad if you want to optimize your campaigns in 2026. So these settings, the way to get it is to go to Advantage Creative. Okay, so the settings are, for example, if you see this one, you will see that here it says add overlays. All right, do you actually want overlays? All right, if you don't want it, you can remove it, but I figured out that this overlay is actually good, so you can leave it. So here it says visual touch point. So basically it's going to like virtually, optimize your ad creative. So you can see here, all right, will automatically crop and expand your chosen media to fit more placement. You can leave that one. If you want to add music, you can add music as well by default. Yeah, adapt multi-image format. All right, so you can see here it says we'll show ads with multiple images as a video slide show or video with a collection. Will not change your chosen asset, and you can see video metric for this ad in the ad manager campaigns table. Then here it says animation. All right, so if you, for example, if you just post, okay, let's just read it. All right, so that I just don't keep explaining to you, but you can see what we have here. Automatically add common movements like panning, zooming, rotating, and more to your eligible images. All right, and that way you can transform them into short, engaging videos, because they know that in 2026 video is performing very well, especially at the top of the funnel. All right, as in text optimization, here it says any text you provide may appear as primary text, headline, or description. This one is the one I do not like. All right, because I want to keep my own text the way they are when I'm running my campaign. So I'm going to turn this off at this time. All right, so if you want to turn everything on at once, you can just click on here. So I can just leave this the way they are and just click on save. Now I'm going to show you where you can see these settings so that whenever you want to create an ad, you can easily do that. So I'm just going to click on save here. All right, so first thing is when you come into your ad account, so let's say you've already created the campaign, what you can do is you can go to your this is the campaign. All right, this is the ad set, and then you go to your ad, and then once you click on ad, of course you are in the editing interface here. Just go to advanced preview. All right, just click on advanced preview. Once you are under this advanced preview, you'll be able to see the offer and the creative. Once you're there, just hover on the advantage plus creative. So this is where you can see these settings. As you can see, my settings has been saved. Even though the Meta AI is very, very good, there are certain things that you shouldn't hand over to Meta ads, and to me that is actually text improvement. So if you have any question regarding this video, drop it in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.